just slow, I'm sorry. So today has literally been the worst day of my life. I have never been more embarrassed. I had to get driven up the hill because apparently I have the fitness of a limbless newt, and I'm done. I'm ready to hit the fucking gym. Oh.
Oh, Mariah, you did it! Let's go! Oh my god.
I am at the top, finally. I'm very proud of myself for not having given up. It's a beautiful view and I'm happy to be here. Now we are in the beautiful town of Šmartno and I'm going to sit down to a glass of wine, and if they think I'm cycling back, they got another thing coming.